guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a haul for you. I went to Ulta, TJMaxx, and Marshalls, so I'm just going to be showing you what I got. Also, the background is different because I am playing with the lighting just to see if the lighting in this video is better than the previous, and also just to change up the background a little bit. So like I said, I'm just going to show you what I got, and everything will be listed in the down bar below, and I will categorize it by where I got it from. So I'm just going to start with Ulta. I got the big bag. And I didn't get any makeup. I just stocked up on some things that I needed. And they're also having a sale on the jumbo hair care. So I got some of that too. Okay, so I got the Redkin All Soft Shampoo and Conditioner. I think they were on sale for $15.99, something like that. So I like to have the jumbo sizes, especially in college, at school. Then I don't have to worry about running out of shampoo. These last me a very long time. I don't wash my hair every day, so the jumbo sizes last me a long time. So I got those. I'll check to see how much they were on sale for. Yes, $14.99, so they were like half off. I think the sale was 50% off. Then I just got some Badescu. I needed some more of this. I use it every day when I do my makeup, and it's just the best. I use it before I do my makeup and after, so to prime and set. So it does last me a long time. This is the big bottle, but like I said, I use it twice when I do my makeup, so you always need some more of that. And then I got these two eyeshadow brushes. They're both from Morphe. This is the M167 and the M433. So just eyeshadow brushes to use. I think this one is more of like, I don't know. This is a blender brush and a shader brush maybe. I don't know. You can really use brushes for anything, so I just like to have more brushes, and I really like Morphe. Then the last things in here, besides this, I got another beauty blender. I love these. They're only sold at Sephora, so they were very hard to get your hands on, and now they are sold at Ulta, so I just picked up one of those. It was right next to the checkout. And the last things in this bag are skincare products, so I'll show you this first. I picked up the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I'm trying to start using all Clinique products, and I've heard very good things about this, so I decided I would give it a try. I really wanted to get the cleansing oil, but they didn't have that there, so I went with the balm. I restocked on my Clinique eye makeup remover. Love this stuff. And then the last thing I got was a Clinique All About Eyes Puffiness Eye Cream. This is the smaller size. I believe it was like $34 or 30 something, and the bigger size was about 50 or 60. So I just decided to go with the smaller size just because it was cheaper. Alright, so that is all I got from Ulta. Next I'm going to show you everything I got from Marshalls. I did end up getting makeup from Marshalls. If you guys didn't know, Marshalls and TJMaxx do have makeup sections, and sometimes you can find high-end makeup for like half the price, and it's kind of a steal. But I would just check everything before you buy it, because you never know at those kind of stores if it's going to be shattered or swatched or whatever. So for Marshalls, I got the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. I have been wanting this for a long time. They always have it at my local TJMaxx, but it's in the deep shade. Obviously, my skin tone is not that dark, so I can't wear the deep shade. So when I found it in the fair shade, I decided to pick it up and give it a shot. And I got this for $18.99, and it says compare at $25. But I know Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes run about $42, so I'm assuming that this is more expensive than $25. So I picked that up. It has 6 shades in it. I'll take it out of the box so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so that's just what it looks like. It just comes in this plastic palette container, and it has a clear cover so you can see your shades, which I think is very nice, and the lid does open up all the way. So I got that. I'm very excited to try it. I've never cream contoured, so we'll see how that goes. Then I got 2 lip colors from the brand Lorac. I got a lip gloss in the shade Pastry Chef for $3.99. It says compare at $7, but I think that, again, Lorac is a high-end brand, so I'm assuming that they're more. This is what the color looks like. It's pink. All for the nude, and glosses are my favorite, so I'm just going to swatch on the back of my hand. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty pink, but it is very sheer. So I think that it's going to be fine, and for $3.99, you really can't go wrong. And then I got a lipstick in the shade Foodie, and again, this was $3.99 as well. But I'm assuming it retails for more in the stores. So this is what the shade looks like. If you can see that. And then I'll just go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand as well. This shade is really pretty. Yeah, so it's not matte. It's very creamy. And that's that shade right there. So that is the shade Foodie. And the last thing I got from TJMaxx, this is Marshall's. The last thing I got from Marshall's was the Voluminous Million Lashes Carbon Black mascara. A lot of people on YouTube rave about this. I got it for $3.99. This is not the packaging that I've seen. Normally it's like black tube with a gold lid on it. But that's what it looks like, so I'm excited to try it out. And this is a drugstore brand that I found at Marshall's. It's from L'Oreal, and I got it for obviously cheaper than I would get it at the drugstore. So even if you find drugstore products at TJMaxx or Marshall's, you're still getting a deal. Okay, and then the last stuff I have to show you is from TJMaxx. TJMaxx is my favorite store, like, ever. And I just picked up a couple things. I don't believe there's any makeup in here. I don't know. Let's just take a look. So, I got these leggings. These are from the brand Giam. I think I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. That's the brand right there, if it'll focus. I will post it in the down bar below. But I got these from TJMaxx. They look super nice. I thought the pattern was super cute. And they do what I just noticed. I didn't notice when I bought these, but they do have pockets. So I'm very excited about that. Well, I can wear these when I go to the gym and not have to worry about my phone because I have a pocket in my leggings. They feel like very nice quality, very thick. So I'm excited, and I believe they are full length. I don't think they're cropped. Oh, and also they're high-waisted, so I'm very excited about that. So I got that pair, and then I got another pair of leggings from the same brand. These are just called the yoga leggings, so they're softer than that first pair. They don't have pockets, but they do have this mesh detailing. You probably can't see that. It probably hits right above the knee, or maybe below, wherever your knee hits. But it has mesh detailing right in here. So I thought that was super cute, and you really can't go wrong with just a basic black pair of leggings. I got this pair for $16.99, and the pair before that were also $16.99. These are not high-waisted, but like I said, same brand. These are a little softer than the first pair. These are the yoga legging. Then I just picked up these pajama pants. These are from the brand Cynthia Rowley, and I have a pair of pajama pants from this brand, and they are so comfy and so soft, so I just wanted to pick up another pair. And this is just a basic black pair. So, okay, my camera shut off on me while I was filming, and then I refilmed it, and it was totally out of focus, so I'm filming it again. Anyway, so I just left off, and I was talking about the blemish extractor. I got it for $3.99 from TJMaxx, so you really can't go wrong. I'm excited to try it out. Okay, and that is the last thing I got. That's all I got. So it's just Ulta, TJMaxx, and Marshall's. Again, I will have everything listed in the down bar below, categorized from which store it was bought from. So if you guys want to, you can go out and get this stuff. But with TJMaxx and Marshall's, it is kind of a hit or miss. You just never know what you're going to find until you get there. So I think it was a good find. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You can even hit the bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!